Hey guys, this is HP Smart Tank 5105. I want to show you how to connect this printer and your laptop using a USB cable. If you look on the printer, you will see that the Wi-Fi light is off. So this printer is not connected to Wi-Fi network. So we want to connect it using a USB cable. So if you take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer and connect this to this port. Connect the USB cable to this port. Push it in. Then take the flat end and connect it to your laptop. And you will hear a noise to show you that it recognizes the connection. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to the settings. Then select printers and scanners. So select add a device. And now it's searching for available device. Now it will show you HP Smart Tank 5100 series. Open it up. It's showing us the printer is idle. Open print queue, print test page, printer properties. So select print test page. There we go. So now it's printing out test page. So this is the document we printed out. This is the test page, Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed HP Smart Tank 5100 series on laptop, and also it will show you color, data, raw. If you want to scan documents, go to scanner settings, open scanner. This is the printer. If you want to scan document, for instance, then you open the scanner and stick the document that you want to scan. Then select scan. And now it's scanning. This document is scanning. And once you're done, then you select view. So what we selected is correct printer HP Smart Tank 5100 series, file PNG. Then you select view. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print this document out, select print. Then select portrait. Borderless printing is off. Then you select OK. Then select print. Here we go. So this is the document we scanned, printed it out as well. Thank you very much indeed.